So today I'm going to be talking about how you can easily identify your support and resistance. If you're new to my page, you're welcome. I am FX. I post content about Forex, how to trade Forex, and how you can make money trading Forex. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can identify support and resistance. If you're a newbie to Forex trading, I am very sure that you don't know how to identify your support and resistance, so don't worry about that, because at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you how you too can identify your support and resistance and how you can make money using the support and resistance strategy. So stick with me at the end of this video. Now, before I start, don't forget to click the plus sign, like this video, and leave a comment on what you want me to post about. So guys, let's start. Now, the first thing on our list is you should go towards the highest time frame. Now this is 15-minute time frame. I'm on 15-minute time frame now. My highest time frame as a day trader is 4 hours. Now your highest time frame can depend on the kind of trader you are. Like me, I am a day trader. I'm more of a day trader, so my highest time frame is 4 hours. So I'll go to 4 hours. Sorry, I've already marked out my support and resistance. Let me delete them. I'll go to 4 hours. So I'm on 4 hours now. So if you're a beginner trader, you should what should you do? If you're a beginner trader, sorry, I'm coming. If you're a beginner trader, right, what you should do, you should change the chart type. Change the chart pattern, chart type to line chart type. Chart type, change it to line type. Right? So I've changed mine to line type. Now I'm already seeing my support and resistance. Support is usually used to be below, whereas resistance used to be above. What do we mean by resistance? Let's say, for example, if the market is pushing upward, coming this way, and stop here again, right, we can see this side here is our resistance. Why? Because the market has been resisting, like it has been pushing down. It doesn't allow it to pass that level. So that's our resistance level. Whereas, let's say if the market is pushing downward, and stops here again, then here is going to be our support. So that's the basic thing about support and resistance. So if you want to identify your support and resistance on the charts, like the way I want to show you now, so if you observe this line chart here, there are multiple places where the market does not go below, and there are multiple places where the market does not move above. But most importantly, if you are trading, you should consider the recent support and resistance. Forget about the ones by like the former ones, just focus on the recent ones. So as I'm seeing on my chart here now, I can see my recent support and resistance. So here is a resistance. Why do I say it's a resistance? You can see markets didn't break out of it easily. The market tested the area twice, right? The market tested it twice. It tested this level and still tested this level, and multiple times it was gotten pushed down, but eventually it broke out of the level. So now this resistance has turned into a support level, right? So now we have no business with that level again. Now the level has turned to a support level, because the market is above it and it can come down to it. So now we've identified our recent what? Our recent support. Now our recent resistance, if you observe, is the level I marked above here. The white level here is our support. If I should change it to the candlestick now, you see that's the highest level the market has been. So that's our what? That's our major resistance level. That's our major. You see this wick here, this candlestick here. You can see that's the highest level the market has been. So that's our major what? Our major resistance level. So eventually you can see the market is already retracing to that level again, and when the market gets there, it can either bounce back or it can what? Break out of it. But what I'm saying here now is that the market will eventually bounce back. When it hits that level, it will bounce back, because that's the highest, the all-time high that the price have traveled all the time. So if the market should hit that level again, it will eventually what? Bounce back. That's our what? Our recent support level, because that's where the market is currently is now. You can see the market is approaching that level. So that's our recent resistance level. So guys, it's very easy to identify using your what? Using your support and resistance level. So as I said, you should go to the highest time frame, look for your what? Your zone of interest. That zone of interest is your what? Support and resistance level. Then what should you do? You should draw your what? Support or resistance. When you hear zone of interest, it's the same thing as what? Your support and resistance level, meaning where the markets have tested several times and is not able to break that level. What I said the resistance is when the market hit up and it's unable to break out of that level. It has tested that level several times and is bouncing back. That's your resistance. And when the market is coming down and it has tested that level for several times, that will be what? That will be your support level. To make sure that it is a support and resistance level, markets have to test it twice or multiple times, because you can see the level I marked out here. You can see the level I marked out. You can see these levels I marked out. Market tested it several times. You can see market test here, it test it here, it test it here, it test it here, and it tested it here. So the market, to make that level valid, markets have to test it several times, time without number. It have to test it at least 2 times to make it what? A valid support or a valid resistance level. So guys, if you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to follow, don't forget to like and save this video. Peace out.